New graphics card day is always an exciting time for PC enthusiasts, and with Nvidia releasing their RTX 4000 series this month, this is the flagship, the RTX 4090. Now, when my FedEx guy showed up and handed me this box, it was unusually heavy for a single graphics card. And then I looked at the shipping manifest and it said 14 pounds. This box contains 14 pounds worth of graphics card. Oh my God, let's get it open. Looking to grab a Windows 10 license at a crazy discount that you could upgrade to Windows 11? Head over to VIP SCD Key at the links below and use promo code BPS25 at checkout to score a sweet deal on Windows 10, Windows 11, and Microsoft Office. Once you've completed your purchase, just head over to your user center, hit the green button to view your code, copy and paste it into your Windows activation settings, and away you go. Check out VIP SCD Key at the links in the video description. Alright, so obviously we're running without a script today. This is a very informal video of an unboxing of the new Nvidia RTX 4090 Founders Edition. Let's just get this box open and see what happens. Wow, this box opened. Check this out. Check out the way this box opens. It's like a transformer. Wow. What is this? All right, get rid of that. I guess I'm supposed to peel this. Holy moly. This is the biggest box I think I've ever seen for a reference slash Founders Edition graphics card. One that's not water cooled anyway. So, all right. It says tear. So we've torn that, and this says tear. So we're gonna tear this. And there she is. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so just taking a look at its overall dimensions, it doesn't really look all that much bigger than an RTX 3090 did, which admittedly was huge. But taking this thing out of the box, you can see just how thick it actually is. The cooler is a 3-slot design, and we have massive fin stacks all around. We have the same kind of design of the cooler that we had from last generation, with one side being a flow-through and the other side directing air directly down on top of the vital PCB components. Now, the edge of the GPU shroud is now curved, which is, I guess, a little bit different, but overall, the size and shape should be pretty familiar to a lot of you guys who are into PC hardware and have been around for the last few years. Connectivity around back has become pretty standardized with these kinds of releases. We have 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI output, and you will notice that there are no SLI or NVLink fingers anywhere to be found on this card. Nvidia has pretty much confirmed that that technology just isn't going to exist for consumer products anymore. Also inside the box, fortunately, or unfortunately for those of you who are going to have to use it, is a 4 PCIe 8-pin adapter to single 12VH power. Now this card takes a single plug, which for all intents and purposes should really clean things up. But when you have to run 4 PCIe 8 pins to that single plug, well, things start to get a little messy. I think you might want to look into newer power supplies that actually come with this plug standard, so that you don't have to worry about running excess cables inside of your case, and you can streamline the cable management experience. Now here is a Strix RTX 3080 12 gig, and to be honest, the cards are about the same size. Even though the 4090 comes off as extremely heavy and hefty due to its all-metal construction, the reality is that this is just about the same in both size and weight. So if you guys are used to the previous gen cards that have 3-slot coolers and take up 30+ centimeters in your case, well, I think the 40 series should probably be right up your alley. Now, that doesn't really speak to what's going to happen with Asus and other third-party add-in board manufacturers who are going to make their own kinds of 4090s with their own coolers. We've definitely seen some renders and or photos of the next-gen graphics cards that show 4-slot coolers and extreme lengths up to almost 40 centimeters, which a lot of cases can't contain. But if you're just talking reference 4090 or Founders Edition 4090 versus previous gen cards, well, you're actually kind of about the same size. Now, unfortunately, I can't plug this in and show you how it works just yet. That embargo is being lifted fairly soon, so make sure that you stay tuned to the channel for that. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what the 4090 looks like and how it compares to the previous gen stuff. Make sure that you get subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on all of our performance testing and PC builds using the new RTX 4090. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.